Hello, my dear students. Today we will discuss the topic volume and surface area. In summers, we all enjoy to have cold drinks and juices. But can you tell me why this 1 liter is written on this container? Actually, this is the quantity of ghee which this container can have. Or in some other situation, what amount of water this cuboid can have. This is all about volume. So let us define what is volume. Volume is the measurement of how much space a liquid or gas takes up within a given object, and that is called volume of the container. We can find volume of different objects with different formulas, like this is cuboid having length, breadth and height. And if we multiply its length, breadth and height, then we will get volume of the cuboid. In other ways, we can also say that if we multiply area of the base by height, then we will get volume. Like in cuboid, the base is rectangle. And what is the area of a rectangle? That is equal to length into breadth. So multiply length into breadth means area of the base by height. And we will get volume of the cuboid as length into breadth into height. And now let us discuss volume of cube. We all know that cube is a 3D object with all equal sides. And if we want to find volume of cube, then again by using area of the base into height, we will get length into length into length. Means volume of the cube is length cube means side cube. And now let us find the volume of cube if the side of the cube is 6 centimeter. We know that volume of the cube is side into side into side. So multiply 6 by 6 by 6. Then we will get 216 centimeter cube. And now in next problem, in which we are to find volume of a cuboid with length 10 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. So multiply all, we will get 200 centimeter cube as the volume of the cuboid. Now we will discuss the volume of the cylinder. Or in other words, we can say that what amount of cold drink this container is having. So to find the volume of cylinder, if we multiply area of the base by height, means what is area of the base? This is in circle shape. So area of the circle is pi r square. Multiply this by height. So we will get pi r square h as the volume of the cylinder. Now let us discuss some problems based on this. Find the volume of a cylinder having base radius 14 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. So the volume is pi r square h. By putting the values, pi is 22 by 7, radius is 14, write it 2 times, height is 20. On calculation, we will get 12,320 centimeter cube. And now one more problem. Find the height of a cylinder whose volume is 8,316 centimeter cube and diameter of the base is 42 centimeter. Divide diameter by 2 to get radius. So radius is 42 by 2, 21 centimeter. And height is volume upon pi r square. So put all the values. We'll get 8,316 upon 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. And now 7 will be shifted in numerator. We will get on calculation 6 centimeter. So height of the cylinder will be 6 centimeter. And now let us discuss one more problem. 3 cubes of side 5 centimeter are placed together end to end. Find the volume of the complete figure. Now in this question, we know that if we join 3 cubes of 5 centimeter side with each other, then we will get a cuboid whose length is 15 centimeter means 5 plus 5 plus 5. And on multiplication 15 into 5 we will get 375 cubic centimeter, which will be the volume of that new cuboid. And now let us discuss the formulae which we have learnt in this module. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Of cube is a cube and of cylinder it is pi r square h. And in next module we will discuss lateral surface area and total surface area of 3D objects.